virus in Chicago. Mandy Gaither has more on how this could explain why some patients have higher amounts of the virus in their airways.
The coronavirus doesn't behave the same way in all patients. That may be because there are different variations of the virus across the U.S., according to a study from researchers at Northwestern Medicine, which has not yet been peer-reviewed. 3 distinct variants have been identified in Chicago and are associated with different patterns of spread. One is most closely related to variants centered in New York, which showed evidence of rapid spread across the U.S. Patients with this variant were found to have significantly higher viral loads than those infected by the second variant, which researchers say is localized primarily in the Chicago area and appears to be directly related to the early outbreak in China. The third variant has been found to be most closely related to versions of the virus going around the state of Washington. One of the lead researchers says it's possible that if one virus variant has higher viral loads in the airway than another, it may be transmitted more easily, but says they're still researching that possibility. The researchers say their work may help with vaccine development. For today's Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.
And the team is continuing to study the variants from Northwestern Medicine patients to observe how the numbers and characteristics of the different virus variants are changing over time. Well, a pizza pub in New York State is making sure customers feel safe when they dine out. They unveiled these new bar pods yesterday. The cardboard shield acts as a barrier to further separate customers and maintain social distancing. The owner came up with the idea with his brother. He tells us he believes other restaurants could benefit from it.
We need that because the depressed state of the restaurant industry in the past several months has been horrific, and some have not survived. We're fortunate that we're able to come up with ideas like this. Plus, we have a drive-through pod port that works great.
New York is now restricting travel from for people from some states, including Tennessee. Anyone coming to the state from Tennessee will have to quarantine for 14 days.
Tracking weather where you live.